How to draw Buddy from Elf. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Today we are going to be learning how to draw Buddy from the movie Elf. We are going to begin by drawing his face. For this, we will start by drawing a U shape for his chin. Awesome job! Next, we are going to draw Buddy's ears. These will connect to the top of either side of the U that we just drew. For the right ear, we are going to draw two humps that look somewhat like the humps on a capital B. Then we are going to do the same thing for the left ear. Nice job! Now let's draw the left ear the same way. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next, we are going to draw the outline of Buddy's hair. Buddy has curly hair, so for the outline of his hair, we are going to draw a bunch of small little humps. This is going to start from the outside of his right ear here, going around to the outside of his left ear. Awesome job! The outline of Buddy's hair looks great. Now we are going to draw the inside outline of his hair that goes across his forehead. We will draw this the exact same way by drawing a bunch of small little humps right here. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our drawings are coming along great so far. Next, we are going to begin drawing Buddy's face. We will start by drawing his nose. For this, we will draw a small L shape in the middle of his face. Nice job! Now the next step of drawing his face will be to draw his mouth. This is going to be directly below his nose, and for his mouth, we are going to draw a small, slightly curved line. Looks great! Now we are going to draw Buddy's eyes. For this, we are going to draw a half circle on either side of his nose. Then inside of those half circles, we are going to draw a small C. This will be for the pupil. Then finally, to finish drawing Buddy's face, we are going to draw a small curved line above either eye for his eyebrows. Well, learn how to draw Hub Crew. Our drawings are looking great so far. Now we are going to begin drawing Buddy's hat on top of his head. For this, we are going to draw a big triangle connecting to the top outline of his hair. Then inside of that triangle, we are going to draw 2 lines going across it, making a stripe on the hat. Then for the final step of Buddy's hat, we are going to draw a small feather connecting to the right side of it. To draw the feather, we are going to draw 2 small curved lines that come together at a point. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We are all done drawing Buddy's head. Now we are going to begin drawing his body. For the first step, we are going to draw 2 lines going downwards from the outline of his chin for his neck. Then we are going to draw a curved V shape connecting those 2 lines together. Nice job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Next, we are going to draw 2 diagonal lines, one on either side of that shape that we just drew. These will be right here and here. Then from those lines, we are going to draw a curved line connecting to the point of the V that we drew earlier, right here. Awesome! Now let's do the same thing on the other side. Nice job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. This will be the collar of Buddy's outfit. Next, we are going to draw a straight line going downwards from where those 2 curved lines meet in the middle. Then at the bottom of that straight line, we are going to draw a square. This will be part of Buddy's belt. Awesome job! Then we are going to draw another square inside of this one. For the next step, we are going to add some details to Buddy's outfit. We are going to draw a line that has many humps starting at the top of the collar connecting to the square on his belt right here. Nice job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to do the same thing on the other side of the line. Nice job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to begin drawing Buddy's left arm. For this, we are going to draw a diagonal line going downwards, coming off of the left side of the collar that has a small hump in it that continues downwards and then goes upwards just a little bit. This is going to be right here. Nice job! Learn how to draw Hip Crew. Now we are going to draw the cuff of Buddy's left sleeve. For this, we are going to draw a big, wide U shape connecting to that small diagonal line going upwards at the end of what we just drew. Nice job! Then inside of this big, wide U shape, we are going to draw a skinny C connecting to the left side of the U. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hip Crew. Now we are going to draw Buddy's left hand. The wrist will connect to the line of that C that we just drew, and the hand will go right here. Then we will make sure that the right side of Buddy's cuff connects to his hand. Feel free to pause the video if you need to finish drawing Buddy's left hand. Then to finish drawing Buddy's left arm, we are going to draw a V connecting to the cuff of Buddy's left sleeve. Then we are going to add a small diagonal line for detail on his arm right here. Then we are going to draw his right arm. This will start off very similar by drawing a diagonal line going downwards from the right side of his collar that has a small hump in it, and then continues going downwards. Then instead of having a small diagonal line that goes upwards, we are going to have a long diagonal line going downwards. This arm is going to be pointed downwards, which is why that diagonal line will go a different direction. Then we are going to draw a curved line for the inner outline of his arm that has a small straight line going inwards in the middle. Then just like right here, we are going to draw a cuff on Buddy's right sleeve. This is going to be drawn with a wide U shape, and then a curved line connecting the top of that shape together. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw Buddy's right hand. This is going to be different than the other one because this hand is going to be on Buddy's hip, so we are going to draw a fist. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hip Crew. Our drawings are coming along great. We are all done drawing the arms and hands. Next, we are going to draw two straight lines connecting to the top of the arms, going downwards for Buddy's torso. Then to draw Buddy's belt, we are going to draw two small rectangles right here and here. These will connect to that square that we drew in the middle for the middle of his belt, and it will connect to the line that we just drew for the left side of Buddy's torso. Awesome job! Now to continue drawing Buddy's outfit, we are going to draw a triangular shape right here that curves downwards and back inwards towards the middle, connecting to the middle of his belt. Nice job! Now we are going to do the same thing on the left side. Then we are going to continue this detail with the humps up here, down here on the bottom parts of Buddy's outfit. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, we are almost finished drawing Buddy. For his right leg, we will draw the two outlines right here and here. Then at the bottom of these two lines, we will connect them together. Next, we will draw his right shoe. For this, we are going to draw a line going to the right from the outer outline of his leg that curves upwards at the end. Then from that, we are going to make a point at the end of the shoe and draw a curved line that goes downwards to the left for the bottom of the shoe. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. Now for the heel of his shoe, we are going to draw an L shape right here that goes upwards, connecting to the curved line that we just drew. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. We are all done with the right leg. Now we are going to draw the left leg the exact same way that we just drew the right one. And then at the bottom of the leg, we are going to draw the left shoe the exact same way that we drew the right one as well. This is How to Draw Buddy from Elf. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in, and don't forget, comment down below what you would like us to draw next. Thanks for drawing with me today, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. I can't wait to do it again soon. See you next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.